Hi everybody, let's look at how to do your Excel log tracker in Google Sheets. So this is not the Microsoft Excel program, this is in Google Sheets. Yours should look something like my example. A couple of things to remember to complete for each column, 1 through 5. Highlight those timed writing errors that were most frequent. Now, it is going to be 3, maybe 4. This one has 3 of the top errors. This one has 4 of the top errors. And here's the purpose of that. That way you can see visually what your trends of your greatest errors are, right? So I know mine tend to circle around articles and mostly articles, and then here punctuation. And this will help you see if that's changing over time, which is one of the questions on the midterm report. What you'll see on the right is also going to tell you what your most frequent errors are. The green column will tell you your most frequent errors in the first 3 timed writings. This is important because at the end of this semester, we'll compare it to our last 3 timed writings, and we'll see what we made improvements in. Now, if you look at the green column, I have to manually adjust the bold and the color. So I have to discover which are my top 3 and decide, and then bold. Oh, there's another one. Let me do an example. I'm going to bold it, and I'm going to change the color of the text to red so it's very visible. That way it'll tell me, okay, these first 3, that was the most errors I made. Now, let's talk about the graph. In the graph, the purple line is showing my errors themselves. You'll notice that mine does not show the trend line. There's a reason for this. If you double click on your little graph here, so notice it's showing the trend line now, but why is it not showing on the graph? On the right side, it says color. Right now the color is white. Let's make it red. Oh, no, that's for the text. Hold on. Go back to customize. Here we are. Trend line for percent of error. We need something to show up here to show the trend line. I believe you click on yes, click on series. And you're going to see down it below it says trend line, line color. Change it from white to red. It still didn't show. Hold on. Line opacity, 100%. There it is. So change your color, change your line opacity. Opacity. Okay, so once you have your trend line, one more thing we have to check is, notice that it only goes to number 6. Let's edit that. We want it to go to number 5. Here's how we do this. When you double click on the purple part of your graph, or your graph in general, it pops up the window on the right again. Go to Setup, and Data Range right here says H. Well, we don't want column H. We want it to go to column G. Let's change it to G, and the second one should be changed to G. Enter. 1 through 5. Perfect. Great. Good luck, y'all.